Omurimo gwo okuhunduuza Makobore High School nuguza kukorwa ba UPDF Engineering Brigade kandi nuguza kumaraho biliyoni 1,400,000. Jim Muhwezi Minisita w'ebyokwerinda nagira ngo ubwire Rukungiri yamazire ryo mu kwebaganisamo ekaferwe ibintu byinji ebyabiri bishemerire kukorwa harimo n'amashomero nkonka hatanabiza kukorwa.
And it has kept Rukungiri behind because of those divisions pulling a college PhD, pull him down, pull her down. You know, it is wrong.
Minisita Jim Muhwezi yongire yasima mukuru w'ihanga hamwe na Minisita w'Obwegese Janet Kataha Museveni aho kubahereza sente okureba ngo bagaruza hishomero rya Makobore.
Had to decide that although there is a technical problem with this money, let it be transferred for Makobore High School.
Babanyishenjero bo muri Rukungiri nabone bagira ngo government obweriyo negaruza hishomero rya Makobore hatano ubujunanizo bwa babashomesa kureba ngo bagire nkwatanisa nungi bashomesa beji no mutima gumwe.
Don't become a headmaster. Yeah, become a head teacher and work with your colleagues. And I want to the other members of staff, you commit yourselves to bringing back this school.
Because not all the schools in the country that are dilapidated have been considered, but to find that our school has been considered, it is a combined effort of very many stakeholders. So we appreciate everyone's efforts towards the renovation of this school.
We have a challenge of water shortage in the school. We have only one tap which supplies the entire school. You can imagine the school community depending on one tap which is located near the kitchen, and it drips. Sometimes we find it hard to run the school without water.
Lieutenant Ronald Ngwasibwe kurwo mu UPDF Engineering Brigade nagira ngo umurimo gwo babire bashemeriye kuguma riro mezi 12 nguko nkabone bazaguma ro mezi mukaga gonka.
And the community at large, they are benefiting from this project because 50% of manpower we are getting from them, even local materials we are buying them around.
Amakora gagasha kwa Dan Basivye.